Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to create an ePortfolio from within Blackboard. Within your homepage, look on the menu for the link that says ePortfolio. Maybe it's also called Digication, but probably ePortfolio. Click on it. It takes you into the Digication building block. So here you are in Digication. You'll notice right in the middle here there is a plus sign. If you click on that, this is the button to add new content, in this case a new ePortfolio, so we're waiting for Digication to connect. Once we've linked in, you'll notice that there is a template that has been shared with this course by your professor. Click on that, and then you'll notice that there's a little pop-up window. Look for Use This Template. Click on that. It then will ask you if you want to add to another ePortfolio. You do not, just click the blue button with the plus create written on it. That creates a new ePortfolio. You're asked to add a name for the ePortfolio, so depending on if your professor wants you to use your name, first and last name, or also the name of the course, say FYS or whatever course you're enrolled in, you would type that in here. Otherwise, you can choose whatever name you want. You can come back and change this later. So I'm going to type in my name. Notice that a URL has been created for the portfolio. We now are going to be creating a website, basically. The permission settings are set for now. You can change that later. Just go down to the very bottom right corner and click the button Create. This is now going to create the ePortfolio based on that template. It might take a little while depending on how big the ePortfolio template is as far as files and memory. You'll notice that as it proceeds through the creation, you'll have the little done check marks. If it takes too long, you'll get a message saying that it is taking a little too long and that you can go away from the page if you'd like. Meanwhile, you will receive an email update letting you know that the ePortfolio has been completed. Here's the little notification. So we're going to step away from it for a second. A couple of minutes later, our ePortfolio has been completed. Now, your ePortfolio will probably look different. This is one for my courses. Your professor probably will have a much different looking ePortfolio. But you can see that all the different sections have been copied onto your ePortfolio. The first step that you should follow, though, once you've arrived here, is at the very top, you'll notice that there's a button that says Publish Changes. That is the first thing that you should do once you've completed your ePortfolio, is to click Publish Changes. It'll ask you to confirm the privacy standards. You can change them if you'd like. But the most important thing is for you to go down to the bottom right corner and click on Save Settings and Publish. If you don't do this, then the ePortfolio you've just created will not be successfully added to your Blackboard course. So to make sure that that happens, make sure you click that very first time the Publish button. And now if we go back to our course, we will notice when we update the page that the new ePortfolio has appeared here. As different students in the course add their ePortfolios, you'll notice that they start popping up in this area down here entitled All ePortfolios. You'll be able to access their ePortfolios in case you have to do any reading of postings that they make. You'll also be able to see the ePortfolio that your professor has posted to the course. That's it. Congratulations, you've created your first ePortfolio in Blackboard.